Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to power off your iPhone without using the touch screen and how can you restart your iPhone without using that touch screen. So that if the iPhone screen is not working or it is freezing or it is broken, here I will show you how can you restart or how can you power off your iPhone without using your touch screen. So guys, first of all, let me tell you that you can easily restart your device without using your touch screen, but you cannot power off or turn off your iPhone completely without using the touch screen. So guys, if you want to restart your iPhone without touch screen, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, the procedure is that you will have to press and release the volume up button quickly and then press and release the volume down button quickly and press and hold the power button until it restarts. So guys, let's try this. So guys, here you can see the slide appears for power off, but you cannot power it off, and if you keep on holding the power button, the device will restart. So guys, this is the way to restart your iPhone without the touchscreen, but you cannot power off completely your iPhone without the touch screen. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.